There was a time I had no passive income. I mean zero passive income. Everything I earned came from salary, and honestly, I thought that was normal. I didn't think passive income was fake. I thought it is something that would happen sometime later in the future, or perhaps it's for people who are earning a lot already, or people who have had businesses running without them. So I wasn't chasing passive income. I was working, earning, and managing. But at some point, I started asking different questions. Not how do I escape from work, but how do I stop depending on one stream of income? That question changed everything. So today I want to walk you through how I actually built multiple streams of income. And perhaps you're watching and thinking, but I don't earn enough yet. I'm just starting. This video is especially for you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doing Solo Toye, and on this channel, I share smart tips that help you make, manage, and grow your money. If you're new here, thank you for watching, but don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up. Before I tell you what I did, I need to quickly clear up something. Passive income is not money without effort because that alone has misled a lot of people. This is what passive income actually means. You put in the hard work first, you structure things properly, then over time, incomes become automatic and less dependent on your daily effort. So, when I'm talking about passive income, I'm talking about income that does not require me to wake up every day to chase it. Income that continues because systems, assets, or capital are already in place. Once I understood that, everything changed. I didn't wake up one day and decide to build multiple streams of income. Here is what happened. I realized that salary alone, no matter how good, is fragile. Not bad, but fragile. So instead of asking, how do I earn more money? I started asking, what do I do with what I already earn? This question led me to passive income. So instead of trying to do many things at once, I focused on one idea. My first real passive income came from investing, not business. I have shared this before in my video, How I Became a Millionaire Before 25. I didn't start big, even though I started with quite some money. I didn't wait to be perfect. I started small and consistently. I learned something very early that if you invest only when it is convenient, you would never build anything meaningful. So I started treating investment like a bill, something that has to be paid every month, no matter how small the amount is. In my video, How I Became a Millionaire Before 25, I shared that my very first investment was in money market fund with ARM Investment Manager. Until today, I still get email notifying me that at so time of the month, this amount is going to be deducted from my account and moved into my ARM investment account. Because I had to set up direct debit to put it on autopilot and make it automatic so that I won't say, oh, I forgot to invest this month. Until date, I still get dividend every quarter from my investment with ARM. I focused on investment that were professionally managed, didn't require my daily attention, and could grow over time. This is where mutual funds, dividend paying stocks, and ETFs came in. I started with money market fund, which is a type of mutual fund, then moved to dividend paying stocks, and ultimately ETFs. At first, the returns were small. Honestly, they were boring. But boredom is a good sign. It means stability. Over time, dividends started coming in, not life changing at first, but consistent. And consistency is what passive income is built on. I have investments in real estate that pays me monthly. I have investments in agriculture that pays me every year. Some of my investments pays me every month. Some of my investments pays me every year, while some of my investments pays me every other month. This is not to say I didn't lose money to some investments when I started. I lost quite a lot of money. And this is why I am keen on educating people on investing the right way, picking the right investments, not chasing returns, not chasing hype, starting right and doing it consistently. Another stream of passive income I have comes from the business I run with a friend. I am not involved in the day to day management of the business. It is structured, it's agreed, and it pays yearly. This is an important distinction because not every business needs your presence to generate income. If it's structured properly, ownership matters. Another stream came from something I already had but wasn't using properly: knowledge. I realized that anytime I talk to people, friends about investing, saving, avoiding debt, common money mistakes to avoid, they benefited. But I was doing it one on one and it took a lot of time. So instead of repeating myself constantly, I started documenting things, and this is where content came in. Now, here's the important part: content is not passive at the beginning, it's work. Recording, editing, posting consistently, it's effort. This became another stream, not because it was easy, but because it was scalable. And this is the part most people misunderstand. My YouTube channel is one stream, but beyond YouTube, I have intentionally structured this knowledge into assets. I have ebooks, a lot of them, courses, trainings, workshops, speaking engagements, organization, churches, my one-on-one consultation. None of these started as passive. They require time, thought, structure, and repetition. But once created, they became systems that could help people without me having to repeat myself every single time. I hope you are learning something from this video so far. If yes, please like, comment, subscribe, share with someone who needs this. This tells YouTube that a lot of people need to watch this video so that they can learn one or two to implement, especially in this 2026, to get better with their money game. A lot of people fail at passive income because they skip steps. They want to jump into making money while they sleep without first mastering earning, saving, investing, and patience. I avoided one major mistake. I didn't chase everything at once. I did do crypto today, forex tomorrow, drop shipping next week, and land flipping by the end of the month. I focused on a few things I understood and I stayed long enough on them for them to work. Passive income rewards people who stay consistent and not people who move fast, people who jump from one idea to another. If I were starting again today, I would do three things clearly and in this order. First, I would focus on building a stable active income. Second, I will start investing immediately, even with small amounts. Time matters more than size. Someone that starts investing at the age of 25 will have more money than someone that starts 10 years later at the age of 35, given the same retirement age of 55. Third, I will intentionally turn one skill or knowledge area into an asset: content, teaching, or systems that can scale beyond me. That combination is what creates multiple streams, not overnight but sustainably. It is what gave me monthly income, quarterly income, yearly income, and income every other month. Let me leave you with this: passive income is not about escaping work, it's about escaping fragility. It's about building a life where one source failing doesn't collapse everything. In the next video, I will break down exactly where you can invest to earn monthly income, especially if you're a beginner and you don't want stress. If this video helped you, like it, comment, share, subscribe. It tells YouTube to show it to more people because a lot more people needs to watch this video. You agree with me, right? Subscribe if you want honest money conversations without confusion. And in the comments, tell me which part of the passive income are you currently building right now. This year, 2026, I am adding on more streams of passive income. It is to expand on the whole and look within, right? Look within, bring on other skills that I can turn into passive income. Would you join me? So tell me in the comments, which part of the passive income are you working on right now? Or which part of the passive income have I opened your eyes to? I had a speaking engagement last week with the people of the brand consulting team, and I was sharing with them about making money. And I told them that sometimes you don't need to add other streams, like bring in fashion into whatever it is that you're doing. Sometimes all you need to do is look within. What skills are you offering to your current organization that you can offer to other people and make money from? Or what are you good at that they can wake you up at the middle of the night to talk about it without needing any preparation, that you can turn into money, monetizing your knowledge basically. So I'm challenging you today. Anytime you're watching this video from, look within and bring out a stream of passive income. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.